Hello! I have a doll unboxing. It's an Aliexpress. There will be doll nudity, so if you're offended by doll nudity or by a reprinted doll, just drive by. And if you're going to leave a mean comment, drive by, please, because you'll just be ignored. So, that being said, this is so exciting. I ordered these about a month ago, I think, when they had their sale. So let's get this. I'm not sure what this is. This is my doll, or dolls. But I'm not sure what this is here. So we'll take a look. I think these were either from Vulva or, oh, look at these. Look at that. Huh. Let's just see how they do this stuff. Oh, you know what? This is from Vulva, which is another place you can order stuff. Oh, this is a knockoff. This took forever to get here. It's just a knockoff bag of the sport sack that I just got to put my camera and stuff in. This is a zippy bag, but I thought it was kind of cute. I think it was $2 something. Yeah, that's all it's worth. And I think this is just a manicure thing that I've been waiting forever for, too. Yes, it is. It's just a manicure. Or I can use it for drilling and sanding. It's just a little teeny one, and it's got a USB plug. So that took forever, too. So, yay. Yeah, that was Vulva. Which they used to have all free shipping, and now you have to order 4 items in order to get free shipping. So, get 4 nail polishes or something. So this is my Aliexpress. My other doll is getting a spacesuit made for her, so these would be her minions. I might have a whole... This is the name of the place where I order my dolls from, these guys, or on Aliexpress. I can't pronounce that. But they're really good, and they ship. They're nice. You can send messages to them, and they answer right away. They're super nice people. And this box really sucked them in. So this is when they had their big sales. And they'll do any special stuff you want too, which is nice. These are a different kind of a box. These are their own special, this outfit box. Okay. Oh, that was feet. You know, they sent me a picture. This is my free. This trolls might like this. This was my free thing. They sent me a picture of this order, and these fit. And I couldn't tell what these were, but these are high-heeled feet, which is awesome. This was the darker skin one. Yeah, I didn't know they came with extra feet. That's really nice, because otherwise they have these kind of ballet feet, which are cool, but I'm going to put these high-heel feet on, and my shoes might fit on these. So this is, once again, a Popovy knockoff. Oh, that's cool. Don't look at her. Oh, she's really nice. So I do the body blushing myself. If I have an airbrush, I'll just blush her myself. So she's awesomely good. She's got applied lashes. I really like the face up they did. Very nice. This is Little Owl, I think. I have it written down somewhere. Maybe it'll say in here. Oh, let's see. Magpie. They got it written right in there. Magpie. That's nice. So, I think I got that on there, right? I got that on backwards. Yeah, so this girl, very, very pretty skin tone, too. So, hey, everybody, hey. Yeah, I'm trying to cover up bits that might get me in trouble. So, okay, now let's open the other one. These guys have all kinds of stuff in there. Aliexpress store. Clothes and wigs. And I made wigs for these. I should go get my wig. Oh yeah, this is the stuff they, it smells, that resin smell. This is that stuff they were showing me in the picture. I couldn't tell what this was. It's a bird and some feet, which I love these feet. Yeah, I'll be popping these feet on her. And this is, well, it should say in her head who she is. This one has the closed mouth, which I really like. She's really pretty. Look at that, what a nice job they do on the face-ups. Let's see, it should say in here. Oops, let's see. This one's Little Owl, they call her. So, she'll be getting body blushed and a wig. I think, I'm going to pause this for a second and go get my other one in a wig. Excuse the nudities, but this is I guess it's the same body, it looks like, yes. Same body as this other girl here. But this is the, I can't remember her name now. But, here's a wig, here's the other wig I made. Oh yeah, that fits her. Here's the back. Is that the back? So I made this wig for her. She needs her wig cap. Wait, maybe that's the back. I have a wig cap in the other room. Maybe it's backwards. Hard to tell. Oh, and then these wigs fit them too. I won't try pushing it on. This is the wig cap that I make the wigs on. Oops, backwards as well. Yeah, she's got her some ears. Oh, I'm so excited about these feet. And let's see how this one looks. Let's go on. Maybe get it kind of like that. It's kind of big on her. But if the wig cap was on, it would work. And then this one. Oh, that looks good on her. So that's exciting. I love them. All three of them are lovely. So, and then I was also going to show, this is one of these Daiso outfits on one of my cool Julian dolls that he did for me. It doesn't quite close up the back because she's kind of busty, but it's really cute on her. She looks like a waitress in Chicago at one of the Polish buffets, only she'd be blonde. They were all blonde. When we were in Chicago, all the waitresses were dressed like, I don't care what age they were. 15, 60, all have these cute little outfits on. And they all looked good. So she's a Polish waitress in Chicago now. And I'll show you this. My friend made these for me, sent them to me for my birthday. Look at these. Oh, he does such a beautiful job. Look at this. This is from Mother T. My nail polish gets all screwed up for my printer, so that's why my nails look terrible. So awesome. And then he sent me this cool thing. It's from, it's a bracelet that is also a tape measure. Isn't that cool? It's got, what are these millimeters or centimeters? Which I'm always using centimeters because I'm always measuring these dolls and stuff. So you can also wear this as a bracelet, just wind it around. Yeah, so it's awesome. I'm always looking for my tape measure. Now I have it. Oh, and look that little bird in there. I'm going to take this out. Can't get it open. Gee, where's the end of it? It's infinity. We rented the new Addams Family Pixar movie. We're going to watch it tonight. I'll try and remember to do a report on it. It looks really cute. We have the what are those Funko Funko Pop figures of them. Oh, it's a little resin bird.
Nice.
Oh, that's cute. Yeah. And here's those feet. Wow.
Not as cute as the bird.
No, but you know, they sent me a picture like this. And I couldn't see. That's all I saw was this. And I'm like, what is that? So, it's feet. So, that's a good thing. And oh, and then this. This is the trial lamp prototype that we're doing. That's why I got the bigger printer to print a bigger one of these. Make this a little bigger so I can sneak a light in there, preferably a bubble light. But I have to make this a little chubbier and bigger. And we might just run the cord up through there. But this is just our prototype to see.
Try it out.
Yeah, how it's going to go.
This is to scale, too.
It is to scale.
It doesn't have to be either.
We don't. Oh, gosh, no. No, they're all over the place with these. This needs to be a little changed so we can sneak some wiring up in there.
Top screws off.
This stupid thing is what they added.
In the 80s.
In the 80s, which we don't like. I might be able to take that out.
Yeah, it would be cool, but it might be a support.
Yeah, it also does. That's why I didn't.
It's all right.
That's why I didn't remove it, because I thought it might be a support.
I
know. I don't really like the look.
So close to the original colors of 1962.
Yeah.
But the bottom white is not correct.
It was kind of an off-white, but the top was orange. Do you remember the name of the guy who designed it? Wasn't it a Japanese guy?
Wasn't it Noguchi? Wasn't he involved? Or
was Noguchi involved?
I can't remember now.
No, I can't remember either.
But he designed that, and I think him and these other people designed the Science Center. Really cool stuff.
I think maybe, was he involved with the LAX too?
I don't know.
There was a bunch of guys that were involved with this. I don't think it was just one guy. But
anyway.
It's the only good thing we have downtown anymore.
They haven't torn it down.
They haven't torn it down yet. So we still have this. Not much else, but we have this. So that's what we've got for today. So I'll see you later. Poke on, everybody.